गाइस, स्वागत है सभी का हायर टोटल के एक नए वीडियो में। आज हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं हीरो की एक्सट्रीम 160R विद इट्स न्यू BS6 फीचर्स, FI टेक्नोलॉजी। देखते हैं क्या है नए स्पेक्स, फीचर्स एंड स्पेसिफिकेशंस। तो चलिए देखते हैं, शुरू करते हैं। आज हमारे पास है दी ऑल न्यू हीरो एक्सट्रीम 160R। जैसे आप देख सकते हो, फ्रंट प्रोफाइल की तरफ से आपने देखे तो ये कम्प्लीटली होता है LED सेटअप। एज यू कैन सी डे टाइम रनिंग लाइट्स, हीरो की बैजिंग मिलती है। टोटल LED सेटअप है विथ अगेन इंडिकेटर्स, LED इंडिकेटर्स। इट्स सेमी फ्लेक्सिबल। फ्रंट सस्पेंशन की बात करें तो इट्स टेलीस्कोपिक सस्पेंशन। डिस्क की बात करी जाए तो 276 mm फ्रंट डिस्क विद ए सिंगल चैनल ABS। एज यू कैन सी ABS बैजिंग ओवर हियर। वी गेट अ साइड में रिफ्लेक्टर ओवर हियर। रियर फेंडर की बात करी जाए तो इट्स इन रेड कलर, द व्हीकल व्हिच वी आर हैविंग इन द रेड कलर। टायर की बात करी जाए तो इट्स 100 by 70 by 17 inches alloy wheel MRF ref tire. As you can see, the grip of the tire is very nice. Coming back to the tank size, it's 12 liters. Again a Hero Extreme badging over here with 160R. It's more enough and adequate in city rides as well as highways. Coming back to the side profile, the side profile की तरफ देखा जाए so we have a tank and we get an integrated side panel. As you can see, we get a footpegs slightly rear की तरफ placed है. We get a brake pedal over here. The best part is that we get a kick over here in 163 segment cc in its rival. We get a kick over here. Coming back to the rear side, as you can see, a 7-step adjustable monoshock absorber over here. A master cylinder for rear discs. Coming back to the exhaust, it's nice, small and chunky. Again we get a rear foot pegs over here which is in aluminium. In the front we get a rubber placement over aluminium foot pegs. Coming back to the rear, we get a discs over here. It's 220 mm. The tire, coming back to tire size, it's 130/70 and R17. It's a radial tire. Again MRF tire. You get a tire hugger over here. In rainy season, it means a lot. Coming back to the rear profile, you get a smooth LED tail light with again indicators, which is in LED placement. A Hero badging in the rear. A number plate holder. I am going to show you to the rear profile of the vehicle. I really like the color tone, a dark grey and a red. Coming back to the rider comfort and pillion comfort, here you get a nice cushion seat for rider. Pillion won't be that comfortable, while riding on the long stretch. As you can see, the area which the pillion gets is very little. Coming back to the seat height, we get a 790 mm seat height. Wheelbase of this vehicle is 1327 mm. As you can see, ground clearance of this vehicle is 160 mm. Such, the total weight of this vehicle is 139.5 kg. the heart of the vehicle. We get a 4-stroke single cylinder 163cc air-cooled engine. The power which we get is 15 bhp at 8500 rpm, and the max torque we get is 14 Newton meters at 6500 rpm. It's completely a BS6 engine with FI technology. We also get a catalytic converter over here with an oxygen sensor, as you can see. Coming back to the rear profile, we get a 7-step monoshock adjustable suspension. The master cylinder for the rear discs, as you can see. Coming to the sideway left profile of the vehicle, you get a sari guard over here. But you don't get a lady footrest over here. You get a pillion footrest, which is in aluminum, which is a single unit. It's here we get a 5-speed gearbox over here, 1 down and 4 up. Swing arm is in aluminum box type swing arm, as you can see. The complete look of the vehicle is in sporty. As you can see, accessory leg guard over here. I am showing you the overall view of the vehicle. Coming back to the handling, get a single handlebar over here. On the left side, you can see mirrors are widely placed. As you can see, the clutch is very light. Coming back to the left console hand handle, you get a hazard switch over here, a deeper switch, a pass light switch, as you can see over here, a turn by turn indicator switch, the horn placement is given over here. Going back to the right, there is the integrated engine kill switch as an engine start switch over here. Again, I am switching up the vehicle. As you can see, the side stand warning, engine malfunction light warning, a neutral light warning, a indicator light warning, a pass switch warning, and the ABS light over here. You can get a RPM meter over here. It revved till 9000 RPM, red line. A speedometer over here, as you can see. A fuel meter over here, showing the odometer over here. The time. You get a trip A over here, a trip B meter over here, and odometer reading over here. A Hero badging. The console look very premium and nice. The overview of the console. कोई वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा, शेयर कर दीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ। कुछ सुझाव हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में भी लिख दीजिएगा। इसी चैनल पे नए वीडियोस देखने के लिए, अपकमिंग वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए चैनल का हयांतरा टुकु। थैंक यू गाइस, चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू। Special thanks to Manish sir to provide us the vehicle for the review. Do you want to check any vehicle of Hero? Do check at Trademark Hero in Chembur. The link and the address of this showroom is in the description box below, and the contact details are also available down